Hey there, Descendants. If you feel like your in-game perspective is a bit too close or too far, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick video, I'll show you how you can change your field of view in the First Descendant on your computer. So, let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open the First Descendant on your PC. Once in the game, click on Options from the lower right corner of the screen. Now the settings should come up. Switch to the Display tab. Here you will find the field of view option. If you want to increase it, just click on the right arrow key, field of view, click on the left one. You can also use the slider if you want. I found keeping the field of view between 95 to 105 is best. So guys, that's how you change the field of view in the First Descendant on your PC. If the video was useful, then smash that like button, and if you want some more gaming tips and tricks, just subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.